This is the realme beard trimmer. Oh, diba? Gulat kayo, no? Actually, meron palang beard trimmer si realme. Now, I just checked. I've actually had this for a while now, and I just checked, but unfortunately, it doesn't seem like realme is selling this product anymore, at least in the Philippines. Hopefully, they'll sell it again. They'll continue to sell it. Baka nag-out of stock lang. But at any rate, we'll be featuring the camera that we are featuring right now is the Realme 11 Pro Plus. You can see the box right here. We're shooting with the selfie camera. It's a very good and very nice camera from Realme. Let's go ahead and check out this product. Okay, so still sealed. We're gonna open it right here, but before we begin, let's check out the main features. Let's try to bring it close to the camera. Kaya ba yung mag-focus? And this seems to be the limit. Washable head for easy cleaning, Type-C port, and travel lock. Ayan. Tapos sa kabila, meron pa pala. 20 length settings, 120-minute battery runtime, as well as self-sharpening stainless steel blade. Ayan, okay. Let's open it. And I do apologize for the background noise because we are using the internal mic on the Realme 11 Pro Plus. So it might pick up noise coming from the background. Medyo maingay lang kasi may ongoing na virtual class ang ating Junakis. Alright, so labas na natin ng buo. How do we open this? Okay. Yung sa picture quality ng Realme 11 Pro Plus, very nice and very solid phone from Realme. This is the Realme beard trimmer at meron siyang cover. How do we take this off? Yan, dumaan na tayo. Narinig niyo yun? Okay. Clearly, it does a good job of protecting the product because we're unable to snap it off right away. Do we need to refer to the manual to remove this? Yun. Okay. Simple lang pala. Alright. I'm not exactly sure if it needs to be attached for it to operate, but I'm actually trying to turn it on right now and it's out of batteries, so I am gonna be charging this while we go through the other accessories. Sana charging port. Okay. Nice, no? Kasi ito pala yung charging port. Okay. There is a silicone plug to prevent moisture. Very solid finish from Realme. Can we focus? Okay, tap natin. Ayan, nag-a-adjust yung brightness pero hanggang dyan lang yung focus. Mama! Okay. Speed dial right here. Okay. Power button. And there's an LED indicator. So, mukhang solid naman yung kanyang razor or the blade. We're gonna charge it right now. Okay, buti meron tayong naka-ready na charger. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. There's a pouch which is good for traveling. That's very nice. May Realme logo. Nice touch of branding. There's a brush, mini brush. Ano ba? Ganyan. Okay. Okay, hanggang dyan yung focus niya para sharp yung product or yung item. And there's a Type-C cable. Di siya gaano kahaba, no? Parang mga 12 inches. That's what she said. And here are the instructions. English naman siya, so okay. For comb installation, gently push the comb into the slot until it snaps into place. So this is supposed to be a comb. I guess that's what they call it. I never knew that. Move the comb to the highest gear. Okay. So the comb supposedly adjusts the length of the razor. You can move it up and down to adjust yung length ng trim. Ayan, ito yung ayan, kaya ba natin? Wala eh, hanggang dyan lang yung ating camera. Pero this is ito, i-ano natin yung sagad. Ito yung sagad. I don't see any measurement indicator, so I wouldn't know how long this is supposed to be. Ayan. Okay, but we can adjust it. Sige, try natin ibaba. Ayan, that's okay, ayan, ito yung indicator. Okay, so mali pala tayo. Shucks. Okay. So this is the indicator, man. I feel dumb right now. So, yan yung indicator. Ayan. Siyempre, tinanggal natin. At yung sagad niya is 10 centimeters. Okay. So, I feel kinda dumb because I took it out. Okay. So, ito yung pinaka, ano niya, no? Pinaka, ano ba? Yung pinaka maikli, which is 1 millimeter, because you can see the comb. Okay, and it guides the length. I'm guessing it's 1 millimeter. Hindi naman pwedeng centimeter. That will be too much. Okay, ito 2 millimeters. Okay, very nice because you can actually adjust by 0.5. Okay, 0.5 millimeters yung kanyang step. 2.5, 3. 1. Baliktad, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. Okay. Medyo nahirapan ako because the camera can't really focus. Ayan, if I try to focus at a closer distance, wala, malabo na siya, hanggang dyan lang siya talaga. So I hope you can still see the print. Okay, and we are gonna try 3 millimeters first. Now I'm gonna use this plugged in since it's out of batteries. Let's go. Wow, lakas ha. Let's try one side muna, one side, para makita yung difference. And once again, we are shooting with the selfie camera. Siyempre nagkalat tayo. With the selfie camera of the Realme 11 Pro Plus. Lakas guys, ang lakas. Okay, sa mga kapatid natin dyan na for you guys out there, wow, solid yung razor, malakas. Try ko tanggalin yung plug, lakas pa rin, hindi humina. Come on, ayan, okay. So very short, in just plugging it in for a very short while, we're able to use the razor. Green na yung batteries niya, di ba? Parang, how long was that? 2 minutes, 3 minutes na naka-plug. At ito, yung result ng 3mm shave compared to the other side na medyo makapal. Okay. And I like that you are able to make very fine adjustments because that is what you are gonna need for in a beard trimmer. Kasi kung yung gagamitin mo is for hair, medyo makapal siya. And I also have such a razor or a clipper. It doesn't work for you know for the beard. Very thick yung pinaka pino niya, the smallest or the finest level is still gonna leave a bit of mustache or facial hair. But with this, I can see myself using this every day, or at least on a regular basis, and when traveling, because not only does this allow me to make very close shaves up to 1 mm, and it seems to be accurate, or it seems to be precise enough to make close shaves. At medyo maingay na yung ating kapitbahay, so we're gonna wrap this up. But also, what I love about it is that it is waterproof. Okay, it's tight and sealed. Once again, this video, ayan, na-miss pala natin ito yung 0.5mm precision. So yan, meron pa palang travel lock. I don't know where the travel lock is, but doesn't matter guys, because ito siguro yung lock, no? Medyo maingay yung kapitbahay natin. What do you guys think about the realme beard trimmer? Meron pa ba kayo? Have you seen this being sold anywhere? Because I can't find it in Shopee or Lazada. Anyhow, this video, Realme 11 Pro Plus, very good cameras, very good phone overall. Lalo na yung kanyang yung kanyang main camera, 100MP main sensor with OIS that uses the Samsung ISOCELL HP3. So guys, check out our full review hands-on on the Realme 11 Pro Plus on our channel at Tech Kuya. Bye! Ingay.